Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check for recently deleted messages or stories on the Instagram app on your iOS or Android device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account. You may want to just sign in and then select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Select the hamburger icon in the top right corner, and you want to select the area underneath where it says how you use Instagram. Select where it says your activity, and then go underneath removed and archived content and select where it says recently deleted. Any items in here should appear that were recently deleted. You can restore them pretty easily from this page, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.